guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's language is Chinese. This is what I do to self-study Chinese at home, and this is the beginner versions. So I'm just going to show you guys things that I do that just get me started. Enjoy! Now, to understand more of this video and for a complete beginner, we have 4 tones in Chinese. And from the chart on the left, we have words in English, and we have Chinese characters, and then we have pinyin. Okay, so first thing is to have a copybook just for Chinese. This is mine, and I use this to write my grammar notes and just things that are related to, Chinese language. Let's talk about YouTube learning channels. They are so useful, and all you have to do is subscribe to the channel. If you go on YouTube and search learning Chinese, you will find a bunch of YouTubers that are ready to help you learn Chinese. One of my favorite is Yo-Yo Chinese. She is very good at explaining things in an easy way. She also have a site on Google if you guys want to check her out, where she posts like blogs and stuff, and also Chinese lessons.
我会说中文。没问题。So
the other channel that I follow is Learn Chinese with ChineseClass101.com. This channel is very good when learning vocabulary because there's tons of videos that just tell you like vocabulary things, so yeah, words that you should know.
Something is you can say 这个多少钱? Then you
Okay, so this is optional, and we're talking about Chinese books. I have these Chinese books when I was learning Chinese in high school. Trust me, I don't remember a thing now. This is why I'm getting started again. So yeah, these are the books that I just use, and yeah, they are useful, but just skip this part if you don't want to spend money on books. Now, this is an important step, is reading out loud in Chinese. This is gonna help you pronounce well. Trust me, it helps a lot. As a beginner, I will suggest not to read character. If you want to read something out loud for like 15 minutes, just read the pinyin.
你是哪里人？我是罗马人。你呢？我叫路易。你是意大利人吗？
Okay, let's stop there, otherwise this will go for hours. Okay, so I do believe that the reason why we got trouble to start learning a language is that we don't really know where to start. And I'm going to show you guys a thing that really get me started, Okay, so let me explain here. So basically, I must have everything that I have to learn listed down or written down, so that I know that I have to learn these things to be able to reach certain level in Chinese. To do so, I choose a site, for instance, this one. This is a cool site that I love, and there's like everything listed down that I have to learn, like grammar rules and stuff. For instance, I have to express dates in Chinese. But the thing is that I have to pay for this section here to unlock. Like there are parts that are free, but there are parts like this one that need to be paid. So the secret is you just have to take the title, for instance, express dates in Chinese, and then I go on Google and just search that. There you will have a bunch of explanations. You can watch even like videos and stuff on how to express dates in Chinese. Once I know that how to express dates in Chinese, and after writing down all the explanations on my copybook, I'm gonna go back to the original site and continue scrolling down. Now we're going to talk about listening to audiobooks. Now, I know we're beginners and we're nowhere close to understanding actual Chinese, but just trust me on this one. I usually listen to audiobooks like while cleaning the house or doing my makeups or while I'm cooking dinner or whatever. It's just gonna help you to get used to the pronunciations and just get used to Chinese. Just in case, I will put the links of some audiobooks on YouTube in the description box below.
会上，校长向大家宣布，最近 很多同学带手机来学校。
Speaking of YouTube, you can watch Chinese YouTubers or YouTubers that speak Chinese in their videos, and just try to choose those who have English subtitle, which I think is better, otherwise you won't understand a thing. So yeah, I usually watch like makeup video because I love makeup and stuff, so yeah. Wow, the final part and the fun part, should I say, watching Chinese drama. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with drama. So yeah, was like the best part ever. You can watch on Viki. Of course, it's like a lot of ads and stuff, which just frustrated me, but you can actually find like a lot of interesting dramas, and you can also take like the titles and just go hop into another site on Google. But yeah, on Viki you can actually have like subtitles of multiple language, so maybe if you're like French or Italian, you can find your subtitles. I will put my favorite dramas in the description box below. That's it, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel to not miss any languages that I'm learning in the future. And yeah, love you, bye!